Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a nice lineup for you. It is the weekend edition. I hope you guys got some things planned. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you're gonna do this weekend. Me, I gotta take my little one to Chuck E. Cheese's. All right, you all, with that, let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got some awesome watch faces for you to check out. Very nice lineup, and I'm telling you, you're gonna like these. The first one we're gonna look at is called PM Design 11. I like the way it looks in the always on mode. A very boss look. You gotta hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on how this watch face looks in the always on mode. But when we turn the watch face on, I like the design. It looks basic, it looks unique. I like that it has a second hand going around it, gives it a traditional look. But I like this design. Very so outside of the box, something that I wouldn't expect to see in a watch face. But listen, let's tap on it once and you can turn it gray. Tap on it again and it gives you info on your heart rate, your steps, and your battery life. I thought this was a very good look. I thought it was very unique in design. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you gonna download this? And matter of fact, all the watch faces that we're gonna do today are free, so just download them anyway. All right, you all, let's go ahead and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now number 2 is one to be reckoned with. I think this is the new player in town. I am not sure. At least I haven't seen his work. If you have, hit me in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave his name up top just in case you want to go check out his lineup. But this watch face is boss. It's called Orion. Now Orion has a very good look, very basic look in the always on mode. This pretty much gives you a digital time. But when the watch face is on, I'm telling you, to dress up or to dress down in this watch face would be very easy with the look. I like the design. I like the layout. I love that bar that gives you the information that goes across. You guys got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this design. Now, the only thing that I would ask of the developer is to give us an option through update to customize the color of the hands and the information that's going across the bar. Other than that, I'm going to give this watch face 2 thumbs up as well. Sean, Glenn, Jackie, tell me what you think of this watch face. I think it's off the charts and it is free. So check it out. Watch face number 3. Now watch face number 3 is tight. I'm telling you, in the always on mode, it gives you a basic analog digital look. But when the watch face is on, this is where the party gets started. Now, the name of the watch face is called TagR Digital. I believe it also has it in 12 hours. This one is 24. It's a nice look. I like the design. The layout isn't bad at all. And if you look up at the top, you get 2 meters, right? One represents your battery, the other represents your step go. And I do like the bar. You get your little second hand right there. At the bottom, you do get a digital time, so you get the best of both worlds, analog and digital, and you get your day and your date. So I like the layout. The only thing that I would ask the developer to do is if he can give us, since he gave us a single tap with the colors, give us a double tap to go into our step goal, our step information. That's it. That's all. Still, I give this developer 2 thumbs up as well. Alright you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought of all these free watch faces today. And with that, if you like this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up on the way out. And if you could you share this video with other people? And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.